that right there is why you don't park a muddy machine in the shed. To tackle this area here. So this area here got torn up whenever we put the geothermal in. I had to remove it so that we could get access to the basement wall to put the piping in for the geo. So I had to tear up actually the brick driveway here. I had to tear all that up, and then I had to tear up this stonework here that my dad put in years ago. So after I got it all done, I went ahead and poured this little pad here, just mixed up some concrete, threw it down. Just so there wasn't standing water right there. Today I want to go ahead and get some stone flat back on it, get it looking good again, so that when I do the phase 2, if you didn't see phase 1, I'll put it right here on the landscape renovation part, so that when I do phase 2, I've kind of got a curb here, and I want to go ahead and get that started. Work's starting to slow down a little bit with the weather, so I finally got some time to do some stuff around the house here, so I want to get that going. So I'm just going to make a quick time lapse of it. You can watch me do it. So anyways, enjoy. All right, so we got everything set up. I've got my mixer, I've got my sand, I've got my Portland. On the Portland cement that I use to do this, this whole house, anything that's stonework on it, has always been made with a 3-to-1 mixture. So 3 parts sand, 1 part Portland. So I'll probably use a shovel about this size here so that I can keep equal amounts. I'll just 3 of those and then 1 of those, and throw it in the old mixer here. Just a mixer I got from Home Depot. Had it for a while, pretty good unit. We'll mix that up, got the water ready, start laying some stone. All right, quick little update. If you look here, you can see how I still have cracks in the grout. You know, I got it down about a ½ inch or so. I'm gonna get it all laid, and then once it's all cured, I'll come back and put grout in there. That's just typically the way we've always done it. We have done it in the past where you grout it as you go, and that's great and all, but I'm by myself, and I don't have somebody mix and mortar stuff for me, so this is faster the way to do it this way, and it works just fine. So, plus it's gonna take a few days for this stuff to dry, being it's kind of cold out. So anyways, just a little update for you, and took a little break. We're getting pretty far along. It's time consuming, you know, it takes a little time, so, but it's going to be there for a long time, so you better take your time and do a good job. So in the meantime, went ahead and got some more stone. Didn't take you guys with me on that, but the benefit of working around the house instead of doing jobs is I mean, you don't get much better than that, smoking some meat while you're doing some stonework. Come on now. done. It's laid. I would have liked to use a lot bigger pieces, but this is all stuff I had, so I didn't have to go and buy any of it. It was already here. There's mismatched pallets and stuff laying around from over the years. That is how you do it. It's paid for. So, like I said, tomorrow I'll probably come out here and check it. If it's pretty stuck to there, I'll go ahead and grout it. So I'm wore out. I'm beat. I only used one bag of Portland cement and half a load of sand. So I'm so excited that is done. I've been waiting to do that for about a year now. I think it's been a year since I put this solar in, the geo in. The reason I never did it right away is I wanted to make sure that the geo was all 100% ready to go. I didn't have to do anything extra. It's been working for a year, so I figured it was time to go ahead and finish this off. One thing, if I can do this here. So this line here, if you look at the house right there, I'm actually gonna cut that straight through there, and then we're gonna pour the driveway. I'm gonna pour the driveway, so that'll look a lot cleaner. But for now, it's a nice transition. It kind of bumps down a little bit so you don't trip over it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe for more. I got a bunch of projects going on around the house, so I'm gonna start filming them and keep the ball rolling. So appreciate you guys sticking around, but until next time, we'll see you later.